Malengi mafam kayada monkeypox sandorokpagi akiba mipaiba leijarabasu hausi phawbagi oinadi Manipurda laina asi sandorokpa natraga thengnabagi pau Amatta Leitri laina asi India da thengnabagi pau su leitri adumapu state asida mangjongna thengnanaba laingak asina sem saduna leiri haina Health Minister Dr. Sapam RANJAN na phongdoragli ISCOM yauna paumi kharaga khanana unaba amada Minister RANJAN na haikibada State asigi Health Department ki oina laina asi thengnanaba health care ga mari lainaba official kya marang kaina leire malemda kinariba laina asigdamak Ministry of Health and Family Welfare ga state aniga gi marakta toina pau phaudoknari Minister masama ki level da masa yauna mifam anirak pangthokre section thorang oina airport ta health ki official sing section thorang lokhatpa oina thamba hokre maramasina miyamna laina asi lakani natraga sandoraklagani haibagi pakatpa amata tawbiganu state ki health department ka ministry ga ngayak laitana pau phaunari loinana ministry na pirakpa chana kaglon haibadi protocol khudimak state asina inna chanaba honari amadi thorakpa khudimak thengnanaba department asina sem saduna leiri haiki
the World Health Organization has talked about, there has been discussion about the monkeypox all over the world. But luckily, in our country, as of now, we do not have any case of monkeypox. And on as far as our preparedness is concerned, we have a robust, I would say, in terms of the robust healthcare system of our country, where the government is concerned about anything that's globally alarming. So the ministry has been in touch with us, as well as they must be in touch with everyone, with every state in our country, so that we be prepared. And as far as our state is concerned, at my level, I've had a meeting around twice, and twice I think we've had. And at the director's level, she also has had a meeting just to be prepared, in case of any eventualities. And for this thing, we also have kept our manpower ready at airports wherever it is needed for this thing. It is just a precaution. I would like to request this to not be panicky in this matter. We are following it up at every level. The ministry is in touch with us. Our government, under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, is also fully aware that we should be always ready, and we are ready. So I would like to appeal, let's not panic. Yes, globally there are cases. It has not come to our country as yet. To our state, it has not come. So we are prepared. Whatever beds that needs to be ready as per the protocol that is been given by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. We will follow all guidelines. We are following all guidelines. Whatever is needed, we're taking care of it. Thank you. Not as infectious as what say COVID Kumbha. It's nothing like that. It's just that we have to be careful in terms of the fluids and whatever. We have a certain symptoms that needs to be whether people should know. Definitely will be in case of any thing that needs to be of concern. We will definitely share with it. We have no case now. We will take care.